Ta-da! It is here finally. I can't wait to unbox the SpiceSkate. Make sure to subscribe to the channel before you start watching. Today's video is gonna be very special. I have been waiting for my SpiceSkate surfboard for like almost 5 months. It's finally here in Singapore. I got it at Masters, who is the official distributor for SpiceSkate. Beautiful piece. Oh my gosh, so pretty. It looks small actually, but it's gonna be very heavy after I put all this on. So first up we have the truck, the wheels, the tools. Oh my gosh, look at them, so cute. No idea what that is. Riser pad, no idea what that is. Pole. Nice. Okay, see this? So this is the user manual. So I'm just gonna take my phone. Go. Okay guys, rookie mistake. Had to start all over again because I did not see the graph properly, and I want to show you the real proper steps. So we have to use this together with this. So this is the 9-inch truck, and this is the Spice Pilot Surfskate adapter, and we basically have to put these two together here and then screw this on top of here, as you can see. I put this T thing on the floor, and then I just turn this a little on the side, put this in, and then screw it in, which is way much easier, I feel. Finally, this part is done. Alright, now we go to the board part and put that in. The 4 small little screws onto this top part. Okay, putting in these 2, 3, 4. Okay, make sure they are aligned with. I'll just make it slightly tight, but not all the way, just in case it doesn't go in. Okay, that one goes in quite smoothly. Now we move on to the back part of the truck. So this 4 holes here, and then with the truck with the logo facing outwards, which I saw, and we're going to use the longer ones. So what I did is use the smaller ones to poke the hole through the bottom, because using the long one somehow didn't work. So how it looks like that right now. This part where we need to tighten it. Here, and then tighten the top part. Okay, I'm finally at the wheels part. I'm almost done. So they say I have to have the washers and this thingy, which I don't have it anywhere except these, and I'm assuming these are the washers, so I'm just going to take this out. There's a big one and a smaller one, so use the smaller one here because that fits, and I'm just going to turn it out. Okay, we just put one, right? Yeah, so put this one in here, the green one facing out. Okay, I guess that's it. Alright, it's moving. The first few one. Look at the truck. Whoa, excited. Okay guys, I have remaining these 2 screws, everything, so I think that's extra. This one, just put it back in here. Oh my gosh, and guys, I'm done. So proud of myself for just doing this and without help except for the manual. So I hope you found the video useful for you guys to set up your SpiceSkate, and hopefully we can meet together and Surfskate. So hit me up at Destination Emma, follow me on Instagram. See you in the next vlog.